I love doing this. I actually have two special announcements for you. You can make these and sell them. I am going to give away a bundle. Well, hey, I am Barbara, and I am the creator of Barbara Makes Crafts. And if you're new here, welcome. And I appreciate you watching. And if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So a friend of mine told me about this lady, and you may have heard of her. She still has a Fly Lady shop that you could shop in, and I bought her calendar one year. But one thing that it came with that really, it just blew me away, were stickers. And I had never seen a planner or a calendar have stickers before. But these things turned out to be amazing. You could just pull off a sticker and stick it on a date, and you know, boom, there's a doctor's appointment, or there's a kids program, or you know, whatever it is that you do when you're raising kids, right? Well, today, planner stickers are all the rage. You know, these planners, these organizers, everybody seems to have one. I'd never really heard of one back then. I thought it would be fun if we made planner stickers today. I love doing this. I love showing you how to make these fun projects. These are cute. These are spring planner stickers, and I got the designs actually on designbundles.net, and I am going to link to this in the description below and also on my website so that you can have these exact patterns. So what you're going to need for this project is going to be some sticker paper, and I'm actually using printable vinyl because the sticker paper that I was trying to use was too thick and it wouldn't go through my printer. The sticker paper is a little bit thicker if you're wanting the thicker stickers, but anyway, so I'm using cricut printable vinyl, but I digress. And you're going to need your 12 by 12 standard grip mat for this, and a burnishing tool. And I love this one from 143vinyl.com. And oh, by the way, make sure you stick around for the end because I have a special announcement. Actually, I have two special announcements for you. So anyway, back to the project. I'm sorry. It's called a 4-inch squeegee. Burnish your projects down really well. And the best part is it's only $2 at the time of recording this video. So you cannot beat that. I mean, I don't know if you could even find something like this at the dollar store as cheap as that. Not this quality. This is a really good burnishing tool. So, okay, well, we are going to head on over to Design Space, and I will show you how to get the design into Design Space, and then we will make our project.
So in Design Space, you can see that I have started a new project, and in this project, we're going to be making our planner stickers. I got the file from designbundles.net, and I'm going to show you how to get the file from designbundles.net. So here in designbundles.net, this is actually my cart, so I can show you the ones that I downloaded. The ones I'm working with today, I think I'm using a couple from this one and a couple from this one, and you can see that at the time that I'm recording this, they are $2.70 each, and you get 500, it says 500 stickers. So I'm going to download the files, which I've already done on my computer, so I'm just going to download this one to show you. And it will come in a zip file, so you need to unzip that. So now back to Design Space. All right, so as we head back to Design Space, you can see I still have that blank canvas. So I'm going to upload the stickers that I want into Design Space. And to do this, I'm scrolling all the way down here on the left where it says upload. And I'm going to use upload an image, and then I want to browse to get these from my computer. So I'll just click on that one, and you can see that it pops up and it asks what type of image this is, whether it's simple, moderately complex, or complex. And I'm going to choose complex because there's a lot of colors, a lot of fine detail there, and then hit continue. And Cricut has added this background remover. I haven't used it yet, but that's such a neat, wonderful tool. I'm excited about it. All right, so you can see how the image is going to look. So we'll hit apply and continue. And here it shows if you want a cut image, this is going to be the SVG file. Actually, it's a cut file. I think it's still PNG, but it's a cut file and it's black. But we want to do this print and cut image. So we'll just select it and upload. And it uploads into our upload folder, if you will. So I'm going to select one. You can select as many as you want. I'm selecting all 4 of the ones that I've uploaded. It'll take it just a minute to add it to the canvas. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, you can barely see it, but right here, it says 100%. So we want to see more of the canvas so we can see more. So it'll go down to 25% of the image. So I'm just going to select them. Now we need something to put these stickers onto. So I'm just going to go in and do shapes, and I'm going to select a rectangle. Actually, I'm going to select a square because the rectangle that they give you in Design Space is rounded corners. It doesn't matter for this, but sometimes it kind of does, to me anyway. All right, so I'm going to size this to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper because that's what my printer will print. Okay, so I've got 8.5 by 11. I'm going to turn it white so we can see the stickers on top of it. So now we need to add our stickers. And the first thing we're going to do is right here where it says arrange, we're going to send these to the front so we can see them on top of our paper. And I want to add all 4 sticker files to this one page. I probably wouldn't do that if I was selling them or something like that, but that's what I'm doing just for the purposes of this demonstration. All right, so I've got that one sort of sized, and I need to move. They're all showing up behind the square, so I need to send them all to the front. And then I'm going to select all, and I'm going to go down here and attach because I want it to cut on one mat, and I want it to cut just like it is. So if you'll notice up at the top here that you've got this warning, and if you click on it, it says image too large, reduce image size to 6.75 by 9.25 or less. So the reason for that is the Cricut won't cut a print and cut image any larger than that. I don't know why. I'm sure there's a reason, but anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take it, and this time it's okay if we just use these little arrows. All right, so now we're ready to hit make it, and we see that it's cutting just the way we put it on our canvas. So we're going to hit continue, and we'll send it to the printer. Okay.
Always save your plastic on the mat and put it back on it after you use it because it will be the dirt in between. Also your mat when you're doing stickers, you don't need the bleed on, but I'm leaving it on so that it will overlap just slightly to make sure that I get the colors. Okay, so just press that little button right there to load it. It prompts you to cut. Alright, so it's pushing it out and it's ready for us to hit. Alright, so did you see how easy that was and fun? Using our print and cut feature on our machine. And these stickers, they just cut through. There's one that says Happy Easter, or Happy Easter, sorry. I like Happy Easter better, actually. So it just comes right up off there, and you can see there's like planner ones where you can sketch in little. And these are awesome to sell if you can make these and sell them. I hear they go pretty well on Etsy. I haven't tried. I have other things on Etsy, but I might put some stickers up there. So y'all should be watching for that. All right, so I promised you some announcements. So here we go. A couple weeks ago, I put out a video about all my favorite things, and it wasn't all of my favorite things, but it was a good list of my favorite things. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link to that right up here. So I am going to give away a bundle that has my favorite things in it. I am at the end of April, let's just say the last business day of April, I'm going to give away a bundle, and it's going to have all my favorite things in it, and I'm going to send it out to one lucky subscriber. If you watch that video, you will see some of my favorite things. All of them won't be in the bundle, but there'll be some surprises in the bundle that I didn't mention in that video. So be looking forward to that. And for my second announcement, I am creating a course for Cricut beginners. Not really beginners, but it's going to walk you through step by step in a few lessons how to use your Cricut. Because I know, guys, my daughter-in-law just got a Cricut for Christmas. Actually, she got it 2 or 3 weeks before Christmas, and she hasn't even gotten it out of the box yet. So I've created a course that will help clear that intimidation for you, and you'll be able to use your Cricut. You will be set to go by the time we're done. I'll walk you through everything that the Cricut can do. Readable content, I'll have some PDFs in there, maybe some videos, so that no matter how you learn, you will get something out of this course. You will be able to master it, really. And it's self-paced, so you don't have to do anything by a certain time. You'll have lifetime access, so you can walk yourself through it as you're ready. I'm looking at a launch date of April the 4th. I might have to push that back a little bit just because I'm finalizing everything, and I'm going to offer it at a discounted price, $10 off for the first 200 people to buy my course. It's going to be $37 to the first 200, and then after that it'll be $47. So when I put that live, I will definitely let you know so that you can go ahead and pre-buy the course, and you'll be set to go. You'll get that $10 off. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, so until I see you again, happy crafting.